Let's dive into division. Hey super math stars, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start our division adventure. We're bringing down the first digit, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, just one time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 2, leaving us with 0. Easy peasy. You're doing amazing, give yourself a high five. Time to bring down the next number to keep the party going. Here we go with the next digit, we're looking at the number 4. We brought down the 4, so now we have 4 to work with. How many times does our divisor 2 go into 4? It's 2 times. Let's multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0. Woohoo! You're crushing it, keep up this fantastic energy. One more digit to go, let's bring it down. Last but not least, we bring down the 8. We've got the 8 here ready for action. How many times does 2 fit into 8? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 4. Check our work, 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 8 from 8 and we have 0 left, perfect. You did it, you're a long division superstar. We've divided all the digits, our adventure is complete. We found out that 248 divided by 2 is 124. Great job, everyone! We tackled 248 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is a chance to be a math detective. Keep practicing and exploring with Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.